start your blender, click Edit menu and Preferences. Then click Add-ons in the left menu and click Install. Select the zip file Large Forest Generator and turn on the add-on. You can find the active add-on in the menu above under the name Large Forest. Open demo scenes in your Blender only after activating the add-on. Create your first forest. Add a new mesh of type grid with properties size 500 meters and both subdivisions to the value 150. Keep in mind that the trees are in the real 1:1 scale, so if you choose the size value of, for example, 5 meters, no trees will fit on this area. Due to the large dimensions of the scene, it is necessary to change the end value for view and camera. Highlight the added mesh and click Large Forest. In the Displayed menu, click on the season you want to use. After clicking, you won't see the trees yet. If you want to display trees, there are two options. First option, in the settings of your new forest, click on Fill Area. Second option, select the Weight Paint mode in the top menu and start painting the weight on the mesh. The higher the weight, the more trees will appear on the spot. We recommend painting the weight only on those surfaces that will be visible in the final render. This will make your Blender work more smoothly. Shape your mesh into the desired shape in Sculpt mode. When painting weight and shaping the mesh, we recommend turning off the real-time view of the modifier in the Modifiers menu to make your work smoother. If you change the size of the mesh in Object mode, it is necessary to apply all transformations in the Object and Apply menu after changing the dimensions. What do each setting mean? Trees variation. Changes tree variations. For example, a value of 0 will display only conifers. Trees density. Changes the density of the forest. A tension or the combination of large area and high density can significantly slow down your computer. We recommend always starting with a lower value. A value of 0 turns off trees. Simplified trees simplifies tree objects. We recommend turning on for very distant or large scenes. Fill area fills the entire area with forest. Grouping creates groups of trees of the same species. Seed trees seeds trees in a random distribution. Rock density changes the density of rocks. A value of 0 turns off the stones. Birds' density changes the number of flocks of birds. Attention, the combination of large area and high density can slightly slow down your computer. We recommend always starting with a lower value. A value of 0 turns off the birds. Birds' rotation changes the angle of flocks of birds. Material. To change the material of the ground, click Modifiers and find the Material field.